Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Software Testing. As you know, I'm Knott. I'm happy that you're here today. In today's video, I would like to show you a little, not a little, I think it's a really great mobile community project or collection of things. So let's take a look what it's all about. But lately I was cleaning up some of my bookmarks and I found it again, and it was like, hey, yes, there was something really cool that was helpful for me when I was a mobile test engineer in a team. It helped me to generate new ideas and also to see how other companies are doing mobile testing. And yeah, and that's what I would like to share with you today, because I think it's really helpful for the community, for you if you're in mobile testing or you would like to get into mobile testing, or if you're just curious how Airbnb, Uber and other big companies doing mobile testing. So let's take a look. Let's jump right into it. So the project that I would like to talk about is called the Mobile Native Foundation. And it states here like, hey, we would like to improve the engineering for large-scale mobile applications, which is a great thing. So as you can see here, these are the companies contributing to that foundation or to that project basically. So it's Lyft, Spotify, LinkedIn, Slack, Airbnb, GitHub, and so forth and so forth. All the big companies that you can imagine that have like really nice and cool mobile apps on the App Store, on the iOS and on the Android store. And I think all of the engineers there, they had the same problems with mobile, with scaling, the challenges with execution times and so forth and so forth. And the cool thing is, I don't know who started it actually, like some years ago, started this foundation and asked like, hey, how is Lyft doing mobile testing, for example, and so forth, or mobile development. And as you can see in some seconds, it's like a really awesome collection of things that you can learn from. So let's just jump right to it. Just hit the Get Involved button. We have a welcome message from Keith and also some introductions, and you have like a lot of discussions here. So it's basically a forum, if you like to say so. And for example, what I found out is if you, or not the labels, but if you search for top all, for example, you can see like the most commented issues or discussions. So it's about testing strategy. To hear, for example, how big other companies, so for example Lyft, well it's 1 year old, but you get a glimpse on how things have been done at Lyft side, for example, or in this case there's somebody from Spotify explaining how they do the testing, and there's one from Uber where it is explained how Uber was doing testing, and so forth and so forth. So this is a really great source of information, how the big brands out there are solving the same issues that you have as well on your daily job, right? What else really cool is here, you can also go to not to project pull requests, but to the most popular repositories, for example. And you can see here, there's, for example, the most popular one is Blue Pill, which is a reliable iOS testing tool that is able to run multiple tests at the same time across the different simulators on a single machine. It was developed by LinkedIn, for example. Or there are other things that you can browse. So you can just browse the whole repository behind the foundation, which I think is really cool. But I think the biggest benefit of that thing, even though it has only 128 followers, and that's why I made the video, that you should follow up this project as well, and in best case support the foundation in order to get more insights from your company, how you're tackling challenges in order to become better and to give something back to the community. And of course, if you go to the people involved in here, you could already see like who's part of it, so who's the organizational members, and who's part of it, which wasn't working at the moment. So if you would like to know more about it, take a look at the Mobile Native Foundation, support it, follow it, and yeah, that's I think it's a really great project to actually get some ideas on how the big brands are doing so, as I said. Yeah, and with that, this is really a short video today, and I hope you like it. If so, again, as always, leave me a thumbs up, leave a subscription to don't miss the next video, and looking forward to get some feedback from your side, maybe also in the comment section. Let me know what are your biggest mobile testing challenges, and if this Mobile Foundation project was helpful for you in order to gain some more insights and knowledge about mobile testing. And with that, I'm saying goodbye. See you next time.